Hi everybody, it's Erin Reed for Expo International, and today we're going to take some jumbo paper clips, some cute variety of different colors jumbo paper clips that you can get it from a variety of places, and pairing it with the Expo International pea pod trim. This stuff is so super cute, it's so adorable, and there is a wide variety of colors. Here I have the yellow, the pink, the white, the orange, the hot pink, and also in the light blue. And there is even more colors than this. This is just a fun sampling. This cannot be simpler to make. All you need is a little bit of felt, and I have die cut little pieces of Kuhn felt into just a little bit of a flower. You could use any shape. It is just a backing to help secure it to your paper clip, which you then can use as a bookmark. It is so super simple. This could be used as a regular bookmark for regular everyday books, or also for planners or for bullet journals or whatever you would like to use it for. The first thing you're going to start off with is find yourself a paper clip. It does not have to be a jumbo or a super jumbo. It could be a regular size or even a small one, but I like the larger ones for the bookmark purposes. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a little bit of your felt, place it down on your mat. I'm just using a little bit of paper so I don't get my craft mat messy. And I'm going to place a little bit of some fast drying glue. And today I am using Beacon 3-in-1 glue. It's fantastic. Place your paper clip down single side up. The double side you want to have down, otherwise you cannot use it as a clip. So place that right smack in the middle. You then take your pea pod trim and you just start rolling it around on each other. Just spiraling it all up. And just like this. The amount of trim that you use will determine how big your pom-pom or your flower top will be. The less trim, the smaller the flower. So that is completely up to you. Once you have it spiraled, you kind of tuck that little bottom piece under. Place a good quantity amount of glue on this space right here. Make sure that little bottom piece is tucked right in, and then place it right on top, sandwiching between the bottom layer of felt and all the pom-poms. You want to pick up your pom-poms and go in the center and just add another generous amount of glue to make sure it's all in there and that no little layers are being missed. That would be wonderful. The color combination you use for the pom-poms and also for the paper clip is completely up to you. You can have fun with which colors you arrange. This is a medium paper clip that we have just attached to. The large paper clip or the super large paper clip would be the same thing. If you want to use a larger base circle, you can, but it is not necessary. Start off with a generous amount of glue being placed right on here. The purpose for all the glue is to giving enough surface area for all the fun pom-pom trim that you're adding, so every little bit has something that is sticking to, therefore it doesn't come loose. Coil it around, give it a nice good coil. You want to make sure your coil is pretty well flat, so if you want to spiral it on your paper, and therefore it's keeping it nice and flat, that might be an easier way versus doing it up into the air. So if you notice, this spiral is much bigger than the last one because I have more trim that I am attaching. Place it right on top. Tuck under any little sections, kind of tight wind it. I've got my little loose piece here I forgot to tuck in. I'm applying a little bit more glue and tucking in that little extra loose end. Pop up the middle again. Apply more glue and then just place it all firmly into place. It'll take a couple minutes to dry, and if you let it sit overnight, it will become nice and firm. But as you can tell, it's already starting to get its shape. The process is the same for all the pom-poms. I'm going to go ahead and finish up these last two. So there it is, taking super cute paper clips and adding some pom-pom trim to the top to getting yourself some adorable little bookmarks that will be perfect for kids, adults, does not matter. They are great for bullet journals, for art journals, for just pretty much anything you would want to have a tiny little bookmark for. They are amazing and cute and a great little kids craft because you can get the kids involved in picking out paper clips and also assembling the whole thing. Thank you much for stopping by Expo International and checking out our fun new craft using our pom-pom trim. I will see you guys again soon, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.